Ever felt that buzzing in your handlebars, turning an epic ride into a numb-handed nightmare? That subtle vibration that, over time, transforms from a minor annoyance into outright pain, stealing your focus and enjoyment? You're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the game-changing secrets that turn those frustrating jitters into smooth, comfortable cruising. We're talking about transforming your ride from a shaky struggle to pure, unadulterated bliss. This isn't just about comfort. It's about control, safety, and extending your time on two wheels without fatigue. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to conquer handlebar vibration for good, regardless of your bike or riding style. Trust me, your hands and wrists will thank you. Let's dive right into the core of the problem. What causes these persistent vibrations? It's often a complex interplay of factors, not just one simple culprit. We're going to break down the most common sources, from the obvious to the easily overlooked. First up, and often the easiest to diagnose, is engine vibration. Every internal combustion engine creates some level of vibration as pistons move, crankshafts rotate, and explosions occur. While manufacturers design mounts to dampen this, some of it inevitably transfers to the frame and, subsequently, the handlebars. This is particularly noticeable at certain RPM ranges, often referred to as buzz zones. Think about your bike. Does it vibrate more intensely at 4,000 RPM than at 3,000? That's engine harmonics at play. For motorcycles, the engine is a stressed member of the frame in many designs, meaning it contributes directly to the overall vibrational characteristics. Inline fours can have a different feel than V-twins or singles, each with their own unique vibrational signature. The challenge isn't eliminating engine vibration entirely. That's impossible, but rather isolating and reducing its transmission to your hands. Next, we have wheel and tire issues. This is a massive one and often surprisingly overlooked. An unbalanced wheel or a tire with an uneven wear pattern or internal defect can send significant vibrations up through the forks and into your handlebars. Imagine a washing machine drum that's unbalanced. It shakes violently. The same principle applies here. If your wheels haven't been dynamically balanced recently, or if you've noticed strange wear on your tires, this could be a major contributor. Even a small imperfection can amplify its speed. Potholes, curbs, hard braking, or even just old age can cause subtle deformations in your rims or tires that are invisible to the naked eye, but very apparent to your hands. Ever hit a bump and then felt a persistent wobble? That could be a slight bend in your rim or a dislodged wheel weight. It's also important to consider tire pressure. Both overinflated and underinflated tires can contribute to an uncomfortable ride and increase vibration, as they affect the tire's ability to absorb road imperfections. Always check your manufacturer's recommended pressures. Now, let's talk about the steering head bearings and suspension components. Worn or improperly adjusted steering head bearings can lead to a vague steering feel and, crucially, transmit more road vibration directly to your handlebars. If there's play in these bearings, any impact or road imperfection won't be smoothly absorbed. Instead, it will resonate through the front end. To check this, put your bike on a stand so the front wheel is off the ground. Try to gently move the forks forward and backward. Any clunking or excessive movement indicates worn bearings. Similarly, worn fork seals, low fork oil levels, or improperly adjusted suspension can allow more road chatter to reach your hands. Your suspension is designed to absorb bumps, and if it's not doing its job effectively, those bumps become vibrations you feel. Even minor stiction in your fork tubes can impact how smoothly the front end responds to road irregularities, leading to increased feedback through the bars. Before we dive into the solutions, if you're finding this information valuable and you want to unlock more pro tips and tricks for making your riding experience the best it can be, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Not only will you get immediate access to all our future game-changing content, but you'll also be joining a community of passionate riders dedicated to mastering their machines. Don't miss out. Click subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below sharing your own vibration struggles. Your engagement fuels this channel, helping us create even more incredible content for you. Okay, back to the fight against the buzz. One of the simplest and most effective solutions is often overlooked: handlebar weights or bar end weights. These are strategically designed to change the resonant frequency of your handlebars. By adding mass to the ends, you effectively shift the natural vibration point of the bar, moving it out of the range where engine or road vibrations are most prominent. Think of it like a pendulum. A heavier pendulum swings slower. These weights, often made of steel or brass, absorb and dampen vibrations before they reach your hands. They're typically easy to install and can make a remarkable difference, especially for high-frequency buzzing. Some riders even fill their handlebars with lead shot or silicone sealant for an even more pronounced dampening effect. But bar end weights are the most common and accessible first step. Another excellent solution involves changing the handlebars themselves. Not all handlebars are created equal when it comes to vibration absorption. Handlebars made from different materials, like steel versus aluminum, will have different dampening characteristics. Steel bars often absorb more vibration than aluminum due to their inherent flexibility and density. Furthermore, handlebars designed with specific features, such as internal dampeners or rubber-mounted risers, are engineered specifically to reduce vibration. Fat bars, or oversized handlebars, often have a different flex characteristic and can sometimes reduce vibration compared to thinner stock bars. If you're serious about tackling this problem, exploring aftermarket handlebars designed for comfort and vibration reduction is a very viable path. There are also specific anti-vibration handlebars on the market that incorporate advanced dampening technologies such as flexible sections or isolated mounting points. Beyond changing the bars, consider the grips. Your grips are your direct point of contact with the handlebars, and they play a crucial role in how much vibration you feel. Standard rubber grips are fine, but there are many aftermarket options designed specifically for vibration reduction. Gel grips, foam grips, or grips with air-filled chambers act as additional layers of dampening, absorbing vibrations before they reach your palms. Thicker grips can also help, as they provide more material to compress and absorb energy. Some even have a dual-layer design, with a softer outer layer for comfort and a firmer inner layer for grip. Heated grips, while primarily for warmth, can sometimes offer a slight dampening effect due to their thicker construction, though their main purpose isn't vibration absorption. Experimenting with different grip materials and thicknesses can yield surprising results. Let's not forget about the mounting points. How your handlebars are attached to your bike's triple clamp can significantly impact vibration transmission. Many motorcycles come with rubber-mounted risers from the factory, which are designed to absorb some of the vibration. However, if these rubber bushings are old, cracked, or hardened, they can actually transmit more vibration. Replacing worn rubber bushings with new ones, or even upgrading to higher quality aftermarket isolation bushings, can make a noticeable difference. Some riders go a step further and install fully isolated handlebar mounts, or anti-vibration risers, that incorporate advanced dampening systems. These can be more expensive, but offer superior isolation from engine and road buzz. For some bikes, switching from solid-mounted risers to rubber-mounted ones can be a transformative upgrade. Finally, let's look at some preventative maintenance and tuning tips. Regularly check your engine mounts. If they are loose or worn, they won't effectively dampen engine vibration, allowing it to transfer directly to the frame and handlebars. Tighten them to spec or replace them if they're degraded. Ensure your engine is running smoothly. A misfiring cylinder, an improperly tuned carburetor, or an out-of-sync fuel injection system can all cause excessive engine vibration. A smooth-running engine is a less vibrating engine. Regularly check your wheel bearings for play and ensure your brake calipers aren't sticking, as drag can create subtle vibrations. And of course, always maintain proper tire pressure and have your wheels balanced periodically, especially after replacing tires. By systematically addressing these potential sources and implementing the solutions we've discussed, you can drastically reduce or even eliminate bothersome handlebar vibrations. Imagine feeling refreshed after a long ride, not numb and fatigued. It's about optimizing your connection to your machine, making every journey more enjoyable, safer, and ultimately extending your love for riding. Don't let vibrations steal your joy. Take these steps. Experiment with what works best for your specific bike and riding style, and reclaim the smooth, comfortable ride you deserve. Your hands and your passion for motorcycling will thank you.